Welcome back to my channel. I am at a bakery right now picking up some breakfast.
Yeah.
Did you bring goggles for? Okay, me too.
I have goggles, gloves, like a face thing to wear under my helmet. But I need the whole shit.
Good morning.
Like you do, you know. She doesn't think we brought like skis and stuff.
No.
Okay.
We're waiting for the train.
You know, it'll probably be like $200 to ski.
Oh yeah.
It's like $210 at Breck for a day ticket.
And renting, who knows how much that is.
Yeah.
We picked up our croissant.
Yeah.
We're on the Panoramic glacier train up to Gstaad, and this train is so cool. It has so much windows so you can see everything around us. We made it to Gstaad, and now we're at a little cafe. I got a coffee and ordered a crepe.
I'm bringing back a cowbell.
Yeah.
Your bag will be ringing.
Everybody like wakes up and like, more cowbell.
Funny. We have been walking and exploring around Gstaad, and the little shops are so cutely decorated. We are taking the Glacier Panoramic train back down to Lausanne because we fell asleep on the way here and didn't see much. I really enjoyed looking at all the mountains and views on the train. It was a super cool experience. Thousand Islands. Yeah, Thousand Islands. You did really well.
I can't keep it alive
I got a black risotto with burrata on top.
I was trying to buy like a basil plant and then it to my.
Good morning. We are currently walking along the water to get breakfast. The water is just so beautiful here. We walked to Lutry, and I picked up a coffee from Rush Coffee & Co. and then got a croissant at the bakery next door. It was the best croissant ever. We have been walking around Lutry and exploring, and I have to say this town is so adorable and cute. It is a very old town. The buildings just remind me of Italy. We have been doing some shopping around Lausanne, and now we stopped for lunch at Cafe Mozart.
The inside was still a little wet.
I got a chicken Caesar salad and have finished most of it. These are the views from the restaurant, and they're just amazing. Last night we drove up to Verbier, and we're going skiing today.
And then when we go up, we will be able to see Mont Blanc, we'll be able to see Matterhorn.
We are on our way to the top of the mountain to start skiing. It's a little bit later, and we've been skiing. I realized that it's a bit too challenging for me as I have not skied in 6 years, but we're going to the tippy top of the mountain, and I'm just going to appreciate the views.
No, I was getting ready to call. I was getting ready to.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to. There we go. Mom. Yeah. I'm taking a video. We made it to the very top of the ski slopes, and this is a view of all the mountains surrounding us. Beautiful. I'm taking the gondola down and meeting them for lunch. This is the view right now of the gondola on the way down. We met up for lunch on the side of the mountain, and then I went to return my skis. I took a bus from in town to here so I could walk to the bar that we're meeting at, and I believe we're all getting avalanche shots. The bar is on the slopes, by the way. Our avalanche shots. Yes.
Okay. And now
Cheers.
Cheers.
Everything in the mouth, swoosh, and
That's so much.
We just had our avalanche shots, and now we're sharing a bottle of wine on the mountain, just watching the skiers and enjoying the view. I'm walking back to the bus stop. Dinner time. We are having raclette for dinner tonight. I'm very excited. By the way, we're staying at my mom's friend's place, and she's the one who's setting up the raclette for us. We're very excited to try it.
oh, no good.
We are doing sheet masks that my mom brought for all of us to do.
She wants one too. Yeah.
So we're supposed to stay quiet.
We are walking to town, and we're going to do a little shopping. My outfit.
Nice thing, but then.
We shopped, and now we stopped at a chocolatier, and we all ordered different types of hot chocolates.
Yeah, this reminds me of the movie Chocolat. Remember she makes
Little
the spicy
chocolates on the side.
Do you know the movie? Yeah. Yeah. I love that movie. Johnny Depp.
My hot chocolate is so thick, it's almost like a chocolate pudding. It is so good. I believe I got the Italian hot chocolate. They have a ton of different chocolates, but we're not going to get them now. We're going to come back after lunch and pick them up.
Oh, did I put my coat here? Yeah, it's pretty good.
They have little chocolate lipsticks. So cute.
But he won't talk about it with me.
We are taking a small hike to lunch. We are having lunch on the side of the mountain. Exciting! I got a tomato fondue. Yummy.
And this is the mayonnaise from Nestle.
Oh, is it?
They make mayo.
Bon appetit.
I'm gonna try a little of the breakfast goat my mom got.
Help yourself to bacon.
You would think after last night's cheese dinner I wouldn't want more, but here I am.
He wants to try. There's more than.
I love the.
We just had lunch on the mountain. I got fondue, tomato fondue. Now we're walking back down into the city. Oh, it's so good. Hello. You're so cute. Yeah, that is a food bag. We are packing up. Mom, is this yours? This place? Or is it mine?
I think it's yours. It was my bag.
Okay, yeah, it's mine. Good. Bye, Verbier. We're heading back to Nyon now. We'll leave tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Just. We are on our way to the airport to head back home. When we got back to Nyon last night, we took our COVID test and then packed up all our things.